What the? Such an easy scramble. Wow. So this was a really interesting solve. Full step 6.24, probably one of my best full step solves ever. So I'm going to reconstruct that solve. So even though you might solve white cross, you still can just hold it with green on front and white on top when you do the scramble. So you'll notice that there are 3 pieces solved already in the cross. And the last piece is, let's see, where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay. And I noticed that this piece is already solved. So I can do an X cross, so the corresponding corner would be this one. So that'd be kind of tricky, because if I wanted to put this in, if I tried to do it like this would get messed up. So the way I did it instead was to put this cross piece in. I did U prime, and then I inserted it into here like this, which preserved this edge, but this corner ended up right here, which is not a very good position for an X cross. But I was able to see that in inspection, so I just inserted this corner into here like this. And then finally did that to solve the cross. And then you see I have 2 free pairs. So I randomly decided to solve this one first by doing U and then inserting it back there. And then this one. And then another free pair. So instead of doing what I would normally do in this case, which would be this, so I could get the top cross done, I randomly just did this instead, which was really good because then it gave me this super easy oil. And then I got a G perm for the ending. There you go. That's my 6.24.